All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel. Weather update, it's rainy. And of course, it's the perfect time to deliver metal. Not, at least it's not pouring like it was when CJ got here with his truck. Perfect timing for a metal unload.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's the way it goes. At least that's kind of a cool trailer. Like, got it all boxed in there.
Yeah, I've never seen one like that.
Yeah. Pretty smart for metal.
How do I get it off?
Nope. How strong you feeling today, Willie?
Dang, I should have came in early today.
I know, Eddie's not here yet. Nobody's here yet. Which we're not really here that early.
I was here at 7:15.
Yeah, you were here early. So, well, we got to get to work, and I can't film and unload metal. So, here we go.
About time you showed up.
Shut up!
Oh, wow.
Good morning, Eddie.
Welcome. That's the first thing you say when you walk in the door.
As it should be.
All late. We've been slaving away, putting tubing away
As you should be. Get the rest of this.
in the rain. Oh, no, we're done.
Oh.
You showed up just in time.
Good.
Like a
Nice.
blister.
Yep.
Work's done, you show
I'm
up.
actually here 10 minutes late, so.
Did you plan that?
No. I actually wasn't gonna come in till like 10 today, but I was like, you know what? I should be good and come in kind of early.
Welcome back, Eddie.
Thanks.
How was your trip?
It was good.
Nice.
Good. Caught some fish.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
That's it.
All right, well, we got our tubing all in. Appreciate the help.
You're well. I supervised.
You supervised the last two sticks going on
Yeah.
without even really supervising. Whew.
It smells weird in here.
That's that box. Yeah, the cardboard does smell weird. So we can, if that won't fold, we can just chop it up with the Sawzall, then throw the remainder of the box away.
Shady on twos.
Yeah, that might be today's video, I guess. So that's CJ's daily driver truck that he has 6-liter swapped with Cam and Dud.
That thing's gonna make like 290.
You think 290?
Actually, I hope not. I hope it makes 400 plus, but
Ooh,
we'll see.
four hundo. I mean,
According to ChatGPT, it's supposed to make like 430.
Chat GPT.
oh my gosh, is that what we're using for
This guy.
power numbers?
This guy.
Hmm.
Y'all done that Miata yet? We going racing this weekend.
It'll be done.
Should have been
It'll
done.
be done when it's done.
God, you guys haven't been doing anything. It's like we've all been on vacation.
I mean, it was Thanksgiving, so we were all not here Thursday and Friday.
Really? You didn't come in on Friday?
No,
No. Slackers. Actually, CJ said he might come in on Friday. That's why I asked.
and we were only here like half the day on Wednesday.
Oh, really?
All right, well, we've got to get caught up on some stuff and get to work. Back in just a second.
Why'd you open my stuff?
I did open your present.
You did. I see that. Open all my
So
stuff.
you got a
I got a lot
leaf
of
spring
these.
perch puzzle,
Yep.
and so he's sent you the different heights so you can mock it up. So obviously, if we use those, that would raise the truck because your rear end is on top of the leaf springs.
Below the leaf rings.
Oh,
Yeah.
Is it going to be on top?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So if it's on top, that would obviously, the tighter you get, the higher it raises it, and then the more you space it above the leaf spring, the more it would lower the truck.
Yeah.
So yeah, you got some puzzly pieces there.
Yep.
Oh, there's some more. Maybe it's just two different heights, and then
And these should be the
sliders. And like the sliders.
Whoa!
sliders-
Hold up. Wait a minute.
The sliders are pretty involved.
These are the sliders.
Yep. That'd be the slider. On the angle too, all powder coated, snazzy like.
That's another
That's
slider.
the other slider.
Yeah, I didn't know he was sending the brackets for it. Thought I was gonna have to make these.
So
That's sick.
you've got height adjustability on the side of the frame with that.
Dang! I have all the adjustability. This is one of those things where when I have so much adjustability, I don't know where to put anything.
Well, it's real important on a 13-second truck that you have
11.
I saw a text. You were going to let me spray that thing into the tins.
Yep, I am. We're going to put it on the dyno first to make sure it doesn't blow up.
Spray it into the grate.
Hey, you know, you guys are mean. With the amount of stuff y'all have blown up, shouldn't be talking.
Yeah, so these are definitely trick.
Yeah, these are sick.
So this bolts to the side of the frame rail. And then the sliders bolts
Literally repairing your blowed up
to the bottom.
You ain't wrong. You ain't wrong.
And then your slider hardware here. Sliders, bearings, all that cool stuff.
Sick. And
And then there's a puzzle that goes in there too.
yeah, those are in a bag right here. All these, right?
Should only need 8. 2. No, you should only need 4.
4, yeah.
Looks like he sent 2, 4, 6, sent 8 of them.
Dang.
Cool.
That's cool. Whoa.
That's your slider hardware.
Slider bearings.
Yep. Cool
So you
stuff.
have to put spacers in between this and the.
Well, I am going to try. So when I looked at, like, if you look at where the spacing is, hold that like that. I kind of wonder, because that's the 3-inch, right? And it looks to me like the side here, like, I think you can use U-bolts.
I think so I watched on his website.
And then, yeah, you would use spacers between
Yeah.
there and,
Yeah.
and the cow track
Yeah,
plates.
on his website, he has like a video explaining all his different leaf spring perches.
Cool.
He has them laid out, and I think he designed these where you can use U-bolts or just through bolt them.
Yeah.
Which is sick.
I'm going to use U-bolts just because I like U-bolts.
Too
Just
heavy.
got a
I'm using
strap.
regular bolts. Slider.
Okay, nerd. You can get away with that on a 13-second truck. It's all
Yeah.
good.
See, that'll make it run $12.99.
Saving half a pound.
Yeah. And on a 4,000 pound
I
truck,
just like the thought of the rear end staying at least attached, which these aren't going to rip off like the really cheap perches will, or the perches that were on the Blazer rear end, which is probably the same thing that's on your truck rear end. But you got the factory welded big stamped uglies on there now, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh no, but you bought a 9-inch,
Yeah. Then
which I don't know that we even showed on the channel yet.
no.
You got some work to do before 6 weeks.
I know.
I guess we need to make a video checking out the house shop again and
Yeah.
seeing what all we got
I
going
have
on
like
over there.
a big old pile of parts, including we did show the wheels I got for it. No, you haven't posted that video yet.
No, I haven't posted that video yet.
Oh, yeah.
And this video will probably be before that. Just, I don't know. We're doing a video every day. But I'm not sure where this is going to stack into when we went to the track with Soccer Mom and Reno, or Reno's car, which Soccer Mom's in for some repair work. You'll have to watch the video to see what we're having to fix. You know, race car life. But
Kevin did break
I was in the seat when it broke, but thankfully it's repairable. I'll leave it at that. But Eddie got some new wheels in that video, which we talked about in that video, but that video is probably coming out after this because I have 3 videos that need to come out before the track video, maybe 4 videos. I got a lot of editing to do. So actually that's kind of my next few days, is finalizing some edits, more that I've filmed and haven't recorded. The editing part is not fun. I'll say that. For the YouTubers out there, the budding, aspiring YouTubers, the editing part is not fun. So, anywho, we're going to get back to work and keep going on all these projects. We've got to get ready for the racetrack. So, we mentioned that Soccer Mom's hurt. Not hurt, but wanted to show you guys what happens if you don't change your spark plug wires fairly regularly. So maybe, let's get that on a white background. Ah, there we go. So you see that rip right there? Is it zooming in? Hold on, let's try this again. Oh, there we go. That is not ideal. And I think it pushed this in and it did not have a good connection on the spark plug as well. And then that led to, where's our coil? There it is. It let the magic smoke out. So if you can see all the stuff there, and then it burns when there's nowhere for the coil energy to go, it squirts all the stuff out of it and makes the magic smoke. Lets all the magic smoke out. So we'll get that fixed. We also stole the map sensor out of this to test in Reno's car, which you'll see why in that video. On to the next. Well, here's how my day ends today. Driving the Viper back over from the paint shop, which she's a little dirty. We gotta touch her up. We're playing musical cars over here. I should put my phone down. Edward!
Yeah?
What'd you do to my mirror?
That's my fault. That one's on me.
Show the rest of the car.
This right here.
Like that plus
This right here. That's on me. That is on me.
So
That is on me.
that's coming up in another video that I still have yet to edit. So actually video it while I'm driving it out.
Okay.
So I can't run the thing.
Fire it up. Did you open the AccuSump?
No. The AccuSump is already open.
Oh.
You had me sitting out. You're welcome.
Yeah, thanks.
Welcome back.
That's what I needed. My ears blown out.
Payback for my mirror.
Fair.
All right, so now we're driving that way in, right? Can you make that? Or are you gonna try and come this way and then back in?
I figured I'd try and go that way.
Okay.
You could probably come this way, do a little 5-point turn.
It might take a multiple. So CJ done swapped a motor in this truck. And
Oh, look at see the GMC.
wow.
Oh, easy.
That's fancy on the light up grill thingy. I think she needs some tuning. Oh yeah, she smells rich too. So the plan was to get this on the dyno today. We didn't do it. We were just busy all day. So hopefully we can get this start on the tune on it tomorrow. Gonna work with a remote tuner. You guys probably know him, Matt Sanford. Does a bunch of Cletus stuff. He's gonna start doing our stuff. So see if we can get this thing backed up on in here. Keep it, little left hand down. How are we on the right front?
We're good.
Okay. We may have to pull your hitch out, but come on back. A little bit. That's good. I think we'll have to pull your hitch out, but.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, it's a tight fit. Cool. All right. Well, that's gonna be our probably our video for today, because it was definitely a day, and hopefully it's enough footage to splice something together. We've started stickering this side of the door.
This is gonna be loud.
Soccer Mom is ready to go. We had a little leak on the transmission we had to fix, so we got that all done. Took the gear benders off and put the gear benders back on. And then we gotta dust the old wiper off. Oh, we gotta put our hood pins back in. And then hopefully this thing's ready to go to the racetrack. All right, well, let's see if we fix this thing. Oh, wait a second. We got donuts.
Right here. No, this is the best customer right here.
That's good timing. We got mess going on everywhere here.
Thank you, Rob.
Yeah, I like it.
Let's see if this thing runs on 8 again.
Ready?
Yeah. Sounds like 8. Woo! They're all 8 running. Yay, we fixed it. Woo! Oh, methanol too. Nothing like a little methanol first thing. Morning. Oh, she sounds good.
All right, well, that's fixed.
Yay. All right, so musical cars, things are in and out, which maybe doesn't show in a lot of the videos because you guys see the cars, the long-term projects, but the quick in and outs just are in and out and gone. So Soccer Mom's gone, Viper's gone, NC Miata's gone, and Reno's is back in because we've made some changes to it, and we are going to put it back on the dyno in another video. And I'll probably show in that video the reasons why we're putting it back onto the dyno to double check some things and whatnot. But yeah, been a lot of stuff in and out this week, crazy week, getting ready for the championship with the Miata, and then getting Soccer Mom fixed, getting Reno's back adjusted, getting the Viper back from the paint shop, taking it back to the paint shop. There's a story there, which we probably won't get into. But anyways, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys all for following along for our month of videos in December 2025. And got a few more edited that are a little bit further back in time than when actually this video was filmed. But anyways, thank you again for watching and subscribing. See you guys tomorrow.